In this video, you are going to learn how you can launch your website with the help of AI. You can create the full-fledged funnels, whether it's for the email or opt-in page or the thank you page. You can do all this stuff here. And not only that, it will also let you do the webinars here. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and this video I'm going to give you such a really amazing platform that will help you to online your business in just few minutes, and that is really the advance here. So this is the platform, that is the Flexifunnels, and I have just given the prompt to turn this prompt into the this full-fledged website here. And this is not just a website, it is the really animated responsive website here, and everything or every part here is just working on this website here. So this is how you can build your website using the Flexifunnel. It has the apps here. In the apps, you have to simply go to the Flexi AI site builder, and here you have to just add your prompt. Make sure your prompt is given in the detailed information and the instructions what you want the features or the section in your website. What I suggest, check any chat GPT prompt that you will find online easily, and just simply go to any of your competitor's website and just ask the chat GPT clone this website and give you the prompt that you can use here as the AI prompt here. Okay, and then it will then turn into the full-fledged website here. Okay, now let me show you. There's also an opt-in page I have implemented in this website here. If I just click any of this part, okay, this button or any button in this page, it will give me a opt-in section where user or customer need to add their information, and this information then is stored in this platform here. Okay, so now the next thing what I can do, I can just create the funnels. Okay, so when I go to this project section here, I have the funnels available. Whether I want to create the funnels for collecting the emails, I want to launch a full-fledged funnel using the emails, thank you page, sales page, checkout, upsell, order confirmation, and the download page, everything is available in this funnel. Or simply, if you are launching a new product, there's also funnel available. If you are launching a course, there's the funnel available. Okay, and if you have a webinar that you want to host, there's also a webinar funnel available. So this platform gives you everything to launch and easily get the sales for your businesses. Right now I have just added my business here, and I have just created an opt-in funnel here. That simply means I have just added a email opt-in page here, that I have just built my website here. Okay, you can see this is the email opt-in, and whenever a people are going to enter their details, this opt-in funnel is also going to send them to my thank you page. Okay, so adding the thank you page or creating any page here is not the really big task, because we have the templates available. I can just go to this thank you page template, and we have the so many templates that are highly converting. Let me tell you that highly converting here. So I can just select any of the template. For example, I want to check that out, this one. So first I will preview it, because this template is actually the relevant to my website and the thing or not, or design or layout is actually good or not. So once I have selected, I can just click here on the select, and this thank you page will be the now live in my website funnel here. Okay, so once you do that, we have also this funnel section available. If you want to add the more things in your funnel, like you want to add a order bump or the upsell, or you want to create a new page in your funnel, you can simply do that here in the my funnel section here. Simply you have to select the project here, and after that you are ready to connect these funnels easily. Okay, so along with the apps that we have the AI site builder, we have also the other apps or the assistants available. First of all is this one, that is the AI marketing assistant. With this AI marketing assistant, what this will let you do, it will create you the viral video scripts or the hooks or the basically all the things you need to promote your product or the services here. So you have to simply create a campaign here, and under that campaign you can see this is the all the agents. Whether you want to get the emails, okay, you want to create the ad copy, you want to create the upsell ideas or the hooks, headlines, everything, there's the agent available that will lets you easily generate all this stuff here. We have also the call booking page headlines. This is really engaging thing we are right now getting in the Flexifunnels. So there are the so many features. If I am going to talk about every feature in this detail for this video, it will be the really long video. So in this video I'm just giving you the overview of the features, and in the later videos I will talk about the feature in the detail. So make sure you subscribe this channel to stay updated to watch all those videos. Okay, so right now once you install any of these agents, it will instantly create the stuff that you can use to promote or advertise your services here. Okay, so right now if I talk about the Flexifunnels pricing, it is a lot expensive tool because it is something like the ClickFunnels alternative here. Okay, and it has everything that is the ClickFunnel offering you. It has the hosting, it has the CDN, it has the your website builder, it has the funnel builder, it has the emails, it has the copy, it has the headlines. Everything you are basically get in the single platform. So this is the platform that ask for or cost you the thousands of dollars every year. But here's the good news, right now it's available or recently launched on the app Sumo lifetime deal starting from the just $49. This will give you the plan access starting pricing. Okay, and if I compare with its starting tier 1 plan, it is alone is something like the $450 a year. But here what we have to pay, just $49 one time, don't need to pay the every year. Okay, and if I scroll down below, this lifetime deal is giving you everything, whether you want to launch your courses, you want to launch your business, you want to do the affiliate marketing, you want to do the webinars, everything you can do here. Okay, so we have the 5 tier plans available, and every tier plan can give you the credits for the page builders that we built or generate with the help of AI. We have the custom domains, we have the monthly visit limits. Okay, so you can just consider checking out any of the plans, but what I suggest, go at least get tier 3 plan, because this plan give you the every features that you need to launch your business successfully with the hosting, CDN, everything. Okay, you don't need the any third party except for the custom domain, you need that. Okay, so once you got any of the lifetime deal, I suggest go for the tier 3. You will land up here on this website here. Okay, so here we have to go on the dashboard. Okay, so let me go to the dashboard here, and in the dashboard you will see there's also a quick setup will start popping up. So with this quick setup, you can first instantly launch your AI website. Okay, you can build your website. Okay, then you can complete your profile, you can connect your domain, you can create your first product. Basically you are going to following all these steps on this quick setup, but don't worry, I will show you how you can do that. So this is dashboard that lets you give you the instantly all the stats, how many sales you have got, the page views, the earnings per visitor, everything instantly in the bird's eye view. Okay, now here's the big thing. First you need to add this product. So you can add a digital product or a membership. Okay, so this product can be any ebook, the digital product you want to sell, or you are offering any service. Okay, might be good thing. Okay, so once you have done, you have to simply click here on the create a product, and I have just selected a digital product because I want to sell out a service here. So you have to add that service name, you can add the your logo or the image of that service. Then after that it will ask to add the pricing. So we have the pricing as the free product that we can use for the email opting or the lead generation, or we can also mark this product as the paid. We can add the pricing here. Okay, so once you have selected that, we have also the payment gateway available. So we have the so many payment gateway integrations available, and all these are the popular ones. Okay, so for example, if you want to connect, we have the Razorpay, PayPal, Stripe, Instamojo, and the Case Free. So we have the all the popular payment integrations available. Along with that, if you want to launch your webinar, we have the webinar integrations available. We have the auto responder or the emails in responders integrations available, along with the Sandfox. This is really one of my favorites, so I'm glad that Sandfox is also available here. Okay, so we have all these things also available here. Okay, so once you have just added your payment gateway here, you are ready to accept the payment. But right for now I am going to make this product as the free, so I will select the free. Then after that we have to click here on the next, and now it will ask me if I want to add a after sales thing here. Okay, so like I want to add a order bump, I want to add a set rules. Okay, so when everyone going to or anyone just purchase the product, this is going to automation is going to run on. When a product is purchased, this thing is going to be happen. Okay, it is going to send out your email series. Okay, so basically that's how you are setting up your product. So once your product is set up, you can just access them here and it will show your product here. Now you have the product, but how you are going to sell them? So for that we are going to create a website or the landing page or the sales page, or we can also launch a funnel. So for everything you have to go to the project here, and under that project simply click here on the project. You have to add your project name. You can also name it according to your brand name or the domain name. And after that you have to select the funnel. Okay, so how you are going to sell out your product, whether it's just for starting from the collecting the emails, it can be your lead generation, and it is really good for free product that I have just showed you, that I have created a free service, that is the audit any GMB profile. Okay, so this is really good for me to collecting the emails. But if you want to sell out that service, you can go with the sales funnel here. Okay, so I have selected this sales funnel, but if you are launching a new product, there's also a product launch funnel. We have also a launch a course funnel. We have a host webinar funnel here, and there's also the custom funnel section available if you want to design the funnel with your way. So I have selected the sales funnel. I am making this project as the one. Okay, just for the giving you the information. And after that, click here on the create. Now our project, okay, first project name is, it is not accepting, so I have created my first project here. Okay, so this is my brand project, and now it will ask me to set up all these funnels pages. Like I have to first select a email opt-in page, and here's the best part, you don't need to create the email opt-in from the scratch. You have added your project, might be possible you also add a free product as the lead generation. Okay, so just go to this email opt-in section and select a template. We have this so many templates available that I can instantly preview and select. Might be possible that you have selected this template and really good for you. So first preview this template. If you might liking it, you can select here. So I have selected, let me select this one, and my email opt-in is ready. Okay, so everything is connected here because I have also integrated my email autoresponder. Now I will go to the thank you page, and now this time we have to select a thank you page. So simply go to the thank you page templates and select any of the template. I am selecting this one here, and along with that my email opt-in page and thank you page is selected. Let me tell you, you also need to do some customizations here, because this is just the template and you need to make it your ways, that you can do with the customization. Then here's the sales page. So simply go to the sales page, and here we have the so many templates available. This sales page and every template you are checking it right now is a highly converting template. Okay, highly converting. So some of the best funnel builders design these templates here. So let me select this one here, and now this is just aligned with my sales page. Okay, so all these following steps I am just building my funnels step by step here. Okay, now this is the checkout page. Again, go to the checkout page templates, and here you will find out all the templates for the checking out. This is for the upsell. If you want to do this upsell, simply go to the upsell templates. Let me scroll down. Here's the upsell templates. I can select any of here to set up my upsell. This is the order confirmation, and this is the thank you or the download page. Okay, so that's how you have built up your funnel here. And till now, let me tell you, your funnel or the website is ready to launch the business here. Okay, so I have created the project, I have created my website or the funnel here, and now this funnel is going to show up here. So might be possible your funnel is loading up with the subdomain of the flexifunnels.com here. So how you are going to change it with your custom domain, let me show you that. Simply go to the settings here, and after that here you will find out the domains. Okay, and here you have to simply add your domain to connect it with your funnels or the website, and now you have simply set up your custom domain. Okay, so that's how the Flexifunnels is going to help you out. It gives you the hosting, it's give you the CDN, it's give you the blazing fast speed. Basically it gives you everything. Okay, everything you needed, whether it's your website, it's your funnels, it's your emails, it's your landing pages, everything you will find here. Just after connecting your custom domain, you are ready to launch out. And not only that, if you are going to run the ads, we have also the conversion API. In the conversion API, you have to simply connect your Facebook um, uh, pixels here, and you are ready to also track the statics. Now we have also the other integrations available where we can just connect with the Vimeo or the Gimlet to add our custom videos in the landing pages or the sales pages. We have the email settings, we have the email verifications. Okay, I already talked about the autoresponder and the webinar integrations here. So this is the Flexifunnels platform, and I am really surprised this expensive platform is on the lifetime deal here on the AppSumo. I know this video is not that much in the detail, just I have given the every feature walkthrough, how this platform works out and how it can help you. In the later videos, I am going to cover every feature in the detail, so make sure you hit the like button. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. And that's all. Bye bye. Take care. And again, if you want to check it out, it's lifetime deal given in the description. You can follow the link and get its lifetime deal. Tier 3, what I suggest you should not miss out. Bye bye. Take care. I will see you in the next one.